In a small mountain town where the clouds touched the rooftops, there lived a girl named Lena. Her father was a clockmaker, and their house was full of ticking sounds, as if time itself lived there. Lena loved to listen to the clocks. Each one had a voice, a rhythm, a secret. But one clock was different. It didn't move at all. It sat in the corner, covered in silver dust, with the words engraved, "For the day, the world stands still." Her father told her never to touch it. But every night, when everyone slept, she would stare at it and wonder what kind of day could stop time itself. One stormy night, Lena heard a knock at the door. A young man stood there, pale, quiet, holding a broken pocket watch. He said softly, "I need your help. My time has stopped." Lena fixed watches every day, but something about his eyes made her heart pause. When she touched his watch, it glowed faintly blue. And for a second, everything around her froze. Rain in midair, wind in silence, even her heartbeat. When the world resumed, the stranger smiled. "You heard it too, didn't you? The sound of tomorrow." He vanished before she could ask more, leaving only the scent of rain and a small silver gear on her work table. The next day, strange things began to happen. The clocks in her shop ticked backward. Birds flew in circles above the mountain. And at exactly 3:33 each afternoon, time would stop for 1 minute, the same minute the stranger had appeared. During those frozen moments, Lena could walk while the world stayed still. She could see sunlight trapped like glass, raindrops hanging mid-air like crystals. One afternoon, she found the stranger again, standing near the frozen river. He said, "Time isn't broken. It's begging to be remembered." Then he gave her back the silver gear. "You're not fixing clocks, Lena. You're fixing time." Lena began to understand. Every time she repaired a clock, she was mending fragments of forgotten days, moments people had lost to regret, fear, or sadness. But she also saw the truth. Her father's silver clock wasn't broken. It was a doorway, one that could reset a single day in history. She stood in front of it, trembling. If she used it, time would return to balance. But she'd lose all her memories, including the stranger who taught her how to listen to silence. As the world around her started to crumble in slow motion, she whispered, "If I must forget, let me forget beautifully." She turned the key. The next morning, the town was quiet, but different. The clocks ticked gently again, birds sang, and the air felt soft. Lena sat by the window, holding a pocket watch she didn't remember owning. When she opened it, it ticked once, and she smiled without knowing why. Far away, on a hill overlooking the town, the stranger stood in the wind, smiling too. He whispered, "Time remembers what hearts cannot." And as the sunlight spread across the rooftops, the silver clock in her father's shop chimed, for the first time in 100 years.